Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's McIntosh Memorial Primary from Manchester up against Hagley Park Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and McIntosh Memorial Primary won. They decided that Hagley Park Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Hagley Park Prep, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who became Queen of Persia and used her influence to protect her people, the Jews?
Esther.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, McIntosh Memorial. Who was the prophet Hosea commanded to marry, even though she was a harlot?
Rebecca.
Incorrect. Gomer. Hagley Park. Science. What is the scientific name for the opening through which undigested food leaves the human body?
Anus.
Correct. Science for McIntosh Memorial. What is the name of the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach in humans?
Esophagus.
Correct. Local affairs for Hagley Park Prep. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and state whose statue is displayed.
Arthur Wint.
Correct. Local affairs to you, McIntosh Memorial. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and state whose statue is displayed.
Donald Quarry.
Incorrect. Herb McKinley. Hagley Park Prep. English language. Does the word cantankerous mean quiet, argumentative, or pleasant?
Argumentative.
Correct. English language for McIntosh Memorial. Does the word commotion mean calm, secret, or uproar?
Uproar.
Correct. Television to Hagley Park. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jamal Knight.
Incorrect. Romani Malco. Television to you, McIntosh Memorial. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual question.
Tom Cruise.
Incorrect. Chris Hemsworth. General knowledge, Hagley Park Prep. Which U.S. state is known as the first state?
Delaware.
Correct. General knowledge, McIntosh. Which U.S. state is known as the crossroads of America?
Louisiana.
Incorrect. Indiana. Social studies for Hagley Park Prep. In which Jamaican parish is the Martha Brae River?
Trelawney.
Correct. McIntosh Memorial, Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Milk River?
Clarendon.
Correct. Music to Hagley Park. What is the name of the gospel artist who released the song Intentional?
Travis Green.
Correct. Music to you, McIntosh Memorial. What is the name of the gospel artist who released the song He's Able?
Jermaine Edwards.
Incorrect. Dietrich Haydon. Hagley Park Prep. Mathematics. What is the value of A if 34 plus 2A equals 51? The question passes. McIntosh Memorial, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
17 over 2 or 8.5. Mathematics for you, McIntosh Memorial. What is the value of C if 2C plus 27 equals 48?
$10.5.
Correct. Sports to Hagley Park. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dan Martin.
Incorrect. Nicholas Walters. Sports to you, McIntosh Memorial. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Iron Mike Tyson.
Incorrect. Glenn Johnson. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round. The scores currently read McIntosh Memorial on 4 points and Hagley Park Prep on 7 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, to achieve your savings goal, remember that every dollar counts. Be meticulous on what you spend your money on and try not to waste it. Please stay with us in this 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz.